Hello dear children, I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are eagerly waiting for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the chapter. A new chapter, Chapter 1, The Face of India. We are going to learn about our country, India. Learning point in this chapter is the size and shape of India, the neighboring countries of India, the physical divisions of India. Our first topic is the size and shape of India. Children, can you tell me which country map is this? Yes, this map is of our country India. Our country India or Bharat is big and beautiful. From Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south is about 3,200 kilometers, and from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west is about 3,000 kilometers. This makes India the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. Children, what can you see here? Yes, this is world map. Do you know where is our country India is located on the world map? Yes, our country India is located in the south of the largest continent Asia. In the world, in terms of area, first is Russia, second is Canada, third is China, fourth is USA, fifth is Brazil, sixth is Australia, and India is the 7th largest country. Our second topic is the neighboring countries of India. Children, do you know which are the neighboring countries of India? Yes, our country India is surrounded by a number of neighboring countries. Look at the map. To the north are Nepal, Bhutan and China. To the east are Bangladesh and Myanmar. To the south are the islands of Sri Lanka and Maldives. To the northwest are Pakistan and Afghanistan. Our third topic is the physical divisions of India. Children, do you remember in 3rd standard you have seen same map in social studies book. This map shows physical features of India, different landforms of India. Look at the map. In this map, pink color shows land above 4,500 meters in height. Brown color shows land above 1,350 meters in height. Orange color shows land above 600 meters in height. Yellow color shows land above 300 meters in height. Light green color shows land above 150 meters in height. And dark green color shows land below 150 meters in height. In India, you will see land in the form of mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, rocky lands and sandy deserts. Children, this map shows physical divisions of India. Look at the map. You can see India is narrow at the top and at the bottom and is fairly wide in the center. The southern part of the country forms a peninsula with three great water bodies: the Arabian Sea to the west, the Indian Ocean to the south, and the Bay of Bengal to the east surrounding it. The Himalayan ranges of mountains stand as a great wall on the northern side, with the plateau region lies in the southern part of India. The great northern plains lies between the Himalayas and the plateau region. Children, India is a land of great variety. This can be seen in the landform, climate and vegetation. This variety in the natural regions of India is reflected in the variety of its people, their way of living, dressing, food habits and customs. The people of India speak different languages, have different customs, eat different kinds of food, wear different clothes, but there is unity among the people of India. Hence, we say that there is unity in diversity in India. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 1, The Face of India. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with the new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.